Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode in my Boss Babe series for aspiring influencers and makeup artists. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 tips to make money on social media. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Tip to make money on social media is through affiliate programs, and to be honest, this is probably one of the most popular ways to make money on social media. You can do it 2 different ways. A company will either give you a discount code that you can share with your audience, and when your audience uses that discount code, you will get a commission, and then they will also get a discount of their purchase, so it goes both ways. Or you can use a generic affiliate website like Awin or Magic Links, which I personally adore and have been using for years, and they will give you thousands and thousands and thousands of affiliate links for different brands on the internet. So it's a great way to literally promote a lot of different brands and get some money back. Often brands will have their own affiliate programs as well, for example Sigma, and this is great because it builds up loyalty between you and the brand. So not only are you getting a discount code for your audience and commission for yourself, but also they will give you your own personalized discount code for your own purchases. If you're a makeup artist, you're going to be buying a lot of products in bulk and makeup brushes, so Sigma have a great program that will give you 30% off your own orders. So it's kind of a win-win for everyone. So I'd highly recommend looking into affiliate links. My second tip is to set up an AdSense account, and this is another popular way to make money on social media, and it's how a lot of YouTubers you see make money on social media. So if your YouTube channel hits over a certain amount of views, you are eligible to set up an AdSense account. And it doesn't have to be just YouTube, you can also set this up through your blog or your website. It basically means that you can put ads on your YouTube channel and your website or your blog and get commission per click. So as you can imagine, on YouTube that will also build up fairly quickly. So it is a great way to make money online, especially if you're putting out content anyway. You might as well get a little bit of money back. And my third tip to make money on social media is through sponsored posts. Now this one is a little bit more difficult for a lot of people than creating an AdSense account or an affiliate program. Sponsored posts are usually negotiated between a creator and a brand, so you will get paid to create a video for them. Now this means that you can put it on your social media and get paid to do that, or you can actually send them the video directly for them to own the content, so it saves them money getting a photographer or a model to do a campaign. It's definitely a lot trickier for creators to get sponsored posts, and it's more so for creators that have been set up a while and have already built up that trust with their audience. You could then reach out to brands and promote yourself and explain to them the benefits of them working with you on some content. So this will be great if you already have an audience built up and you have that credibility online. I wouldn't recommend doing this if you're just starting out. However, I don't see anything wrong with reaching out to companies and asking if you can be added to their PR list. At the end of the day, all they can say is no, and it is something that a lot of creators are a little bit scared to do. But honestly, if you don't ask, you won't get. It's not going to fall in your inbox, so don't be afraid to ask. The fourth way to make money on social media is through referrals, and this is a little bit similar to affiliate programs. So a lot of brands will have referral programs that you can set up. For example, if you're using Magic Links or if you're using Awin, if you recommend some of your friends or other creators to these programs, you will automatically get a $5 or €5 referral for signing up these creators. It is a great way to build up a little bit of extra cash. If you recommend 6 of your creator friends or makeup artists to the program, then that is 30 quid straight off the bat. And also a lot of the websites will just add this into their affiliate programs. For example, Magic Links also have their referral program inside the same account, so you can be building up your affiliate links and your affiliate income and also your referral income, and they'll add them together for you. So it's a great great way just to add a little bit of extra income. And my last tip to make money on social media is to sell your own product or service. Now, I know this might not be something you want to do instantly. You might want to wait until you build up credibility online. You can offer like free tutorials on your YouTube channel or through your Instagram, and eventually once you build up an audience or a clientele, then you can actually sell a product or service. So for example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might want to sell equipment that your clients can use at home and copy your workout program. If you're a makeup artist, you might want to set up a masterclass online, and then you can charge your audience per ticket. You can also set up like paid memberships, so it might work out financially better for your audience than paying out one lump sum. So if someone is paying a tenner a month to follow your yoga program or maybe your bridal masterclass online, it is a great option. It's more affordable for people, and it ensures that you have money coming in every month as well. Or if you're a makeup artist, you might want to set up your own range of lipsticks that you can promote to your clients and to your online audience. That will also ensure that you make a little bit of extra money on the side. And between all these little tips, it should ensure that you have a decent amount of money coming in every month. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this Boss Babe episode. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please give it a thumbs up. I'm just experimenting with these videos at the minute. I did a video on how to edit on your phone and it went down amazingly well. I know I have a lot of beginners, makeup artists and aspiring influencers here on my channel, so I wanted to create a safe place for you guys that you can just pick up a lot of information that people don't like to share. So if you would like to see more videos like this, then do let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. If you are a creator and you're struggling to find music that's free to use online, you can check out my workbook, which I will leave linked in the description box, that will give you all the tools that you need to get started in your videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I get to see you in my next one.